I tell myself every day my latter years is going to be better than my beginning, and my beginning years were amazing. Absolutely amazing. And I'm so grateful for all the amazing things God is doing in my life. I had the most amazing day yesterday with my family. You know, the type of day where you just seem like everything is going and you're enjoying it like in a dream? That's how I felt yesterday, celebrating my brother's life. Now, here's what I want to tell you. Work is always going to be there. School's always going to be there, right? But there are people in your life who are not always going to be there, right? You got to cherish every special moment. Snatch it like a cup that's about to fall on the floor and break. Snatch that moment, embrace that moment, and enjoy that moment. My name is Ernesta from Flockz Commercial Cleaning Service, and I want to tell you today, take the time to remember the small things in life. The small things, like calling your mom, going for a walk in the park with your children, going to spend time with your siblings. Life is really valuable. Don't let it slip away without you spreading love and showing those around you you genuinely care.